Hi, this is Sharan from Quinel Technology Solutions LLP Bangalore. I am going to give demonstration on Quinel LPC1768H Plus board. This is Quinel LPC1768H Plus board. A board consists of several features. DC power can be applied through a DC power jack or USB end device. Board consists of 3.3 voltage regulator and 5 volts regulator. Board consists of two switches. One is the reset switch, one is the ISP switch. By using reset switch, you can reset the controller. By using ISP switch, you can program the controller. Board consists of a 20-pin connector where program can be dumped by using Quinel Hucox Co-Link or Quinel USB ARM JTAG or Quinel Head JTAG. This is a SD card slot where SD card can be inserted into the slot. Jumper connections are provided for the SD card. These pins can be used as a general purpose input-output pins. Board consists of Ethernet slot where Ethernet cable can be inserted into the slot. This is USB end device and this is USB host light. Jumper connections are made for these two slots. Pendrive can be connected through USB host slot. A board consists of 10 kilo ohm pot where this pot is internally connected to the analog pin of the controller. By varying this pot, analog signal can be applied through the controller. A board consists of general purpose input-output pins. These all pins are general purpose input-output pins. These pins can be used for multiple applications. For example, these pins can be used as a UART 0 pins, UART 3 pins, UART 1 pin. A board consists of 3.2 inch TFT slot where one end of the 3.2 inch TFT cable is connected to the TFT and another end is connected to the Quinel LPC1768H Plus board. Along this board, we will provide a CD which consists of softwares as Head JTAG, FlashMagic, Keel as a software tools and sample codes. Along this, we will provide the entire schematic of the board. This is USB cable. The one end of the cable is connected to the USB end device slot. Another end is connected to the computer. Thank you for watching the video.